Einen wunderschönen guten Nachmittag, meine Lieben, aus Birmingham. Herzlichen Glückwunsch nochmal. Die meisten hatten ja richtig geraten oder gewusst. Also gewusst wahrscheinlich. Ja, dann drehe ich euch jetzt mal eine kleine Roomtour ab. Und ich habe mir überlegt, dass ich das jetzt auf Englisch mache. Auch des Englischen bin ich nicht perfekt mächtig, also es könnte auch da Fehler sein. Seht sie mir nach. Und ich hätte gedacht, ich mache das ein bisschen als Parodie. Los geht's. So, welcome to our little room tour. I'm going to show you now my hotel room, which is just for one night. So here you see my suitcase and my handbag and my dumfies without dust. I cleaned them up very well. On the right hand we have the bathroom with a shower. This time there's no rain shower. So we have the Klo. Ich weiß nicht alle Worte. The toilet. We have the toilet here. So this is the bathroom. And then we enter the room, and then we have a large king-size bed. We have some nice pictures on the wall. Pictures from Birmingham. What else do we have? We have a television. And there we have a chair. And a big mirror and a lamp. Here we can have our coffee or our tea, our English breakfast tea for tea time. What else do we have? We have a safe and a mini bar. It's very difficult to open it. Oh, we have some water in the mini bar. We have natural water and sparkling water. It's very nice. Then we have a wardrobe. You can see that my coat is already hanging there, and some light in the cupboard, in the wardrobe, sorry. And my jacket is inside already, and for hot days we have a ventilation. That's great. And the view. Which view do we have? Oh. The weather is typical British. It's raining and it's about 7 degrees centigrade. That's the view over Birmingham. Oh, double-decker bus. And we can open the window. That's great. So we are spending the afternoon now here in Birmingham. I thank you for joining me and hope that you liked this little room tour. I hope you have a nice Friday afternoon and evening and a nice weekend. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye. See you.